I think we're at a really interesting inflection point where, there's three swim lanes that still need to coexist, and that the constant tension that our customers are feeling right now is, where do I start? What's a good use case from an AI point of view? How do I actually, develop a scalable foundation? And I hope that, we can shed some light on some of that today.
Perfect. All right. So what you're saying then is this issue isn't whether AI matters, it's just understanding where it belongs.
Agreed. Yeah, I think it amplifies human judgment. It does not replace it. And we see that with our teams day in and day out, working with some of our biggest customers and clients. And I think if finance leaders don't distinguish that boundary and a vision around that, there's tension that can be created within an organization across internal audit, IT, operational finance and accounting, et cetera, that is going to need to be relieved. And we think a more proactive approach to that is adequate and appropriate. And